So, I recently cleared DALF C1 French examination.
Not bad, not bad.
And here are top 3 things I learned throughout the journey of the preparation and also the examination day.
अबे जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Now, number 1 is you should have a goal. So, it's not just about your C1, it's also about any examination, be it A1, A2, B1, B2, or any of the TEF, TCF examination. You should have a goal.
बात तो सही है.
So, even before I registered myself for the examination, I had a goal that I would be going for DALF C1 examination this year. So I would show you my vision board. So vision board sounds fancy but is actually very practical. So it is something that you should actually do. Show you here. You see this thing that says DALF C1. So that was one of my goal and target for this year. So means that was in my head. So if it's in your head, it will definitely come through your pencil pen on the paper and you'll clear it.
क्या बोला तूने?
I don't know what was that, but yes, that made full logic to me. Number 2, do not run behind a lot of resources. Just stick to one channel, one Instagram page or one book. Otherwise, you'll just end up following and subscribing multiple channels, but zero preparation. So minimal resources and the maximum results.
क्या बात है सर?
And number 3, everyone says, everyone knows, everyone understands that yes, B2 and C1, there's a difference. That's an elevated, upgraded, high-level version of French examination. So your vocabulary has to be upgraded one. But how do you upgrade them? A lot of students just take out a list of top 100 French vocabularies from ChatGPT and other sources, but that top 100 words are not going to help you honestly. Because you'll just learn them and they will stay back in your head as a passive vocabulary, but you'll never gonna be using them actively in your examination. Rather, you learn 15 to 20 handful of right verbs, fancy vocabularies, but useful in terms of the themes of the examination. So those 10 to 15 words or 15 to 20 words maximum would work. You just try to make sentences from them. You just try to use them because lesser the content, but the more constantly, the more repetition will be there in order to learn them, the more better the results will be there. Because those 100 words you'll probably learn once or twice, but those 15 words, those 20 words you'll learn many times before the examination. So it's not about how fancy you get, it's about the consistency you put. Okay?
Yeah, boy.
So these are my top 3 learnings, and I'm also going to make a long video on YouTube sharing each day preparation items, everything I did to prepare. How many hours did I give? Like almost everything. So wait for that long video. That's gonna come on the YouTube channel. But yes, till then, you can definitely subscribe it because content is not gonna stop now. I was actually waiting for this moment, and now I will produce as much content as I can to help you, to guide you in the right way. That's all. Bye bye. See you next time.